Hi, this is Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to teach you on how to do activity with your kids, which is bounce and catch medium-sized ball with creating verbal prompt. So, as you may or may not know, prompting means to guide or to assist. How can you actually assist your kids to do this activity? This is for the kids that has the skill but has problem in terms of initiating it independently. When I say initiate independently, let's say you give instruction ready, let's bounce and catch. They take more than 10 seconds to initiate. So what you can do with verbal prompt, right? To repeat the action, verbalize the action. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce, catch, bounce and catch, bounce and catch. You can try with songs or repeatedly verbalize the action.